single video for like the past 4 years, but I want to make videos again. And I think I've got a system to do that now. But we'll see. North Carolina. It's a cool place. Maybe one of my favorite places in the mountains. That's Peyton's house from One Tree Hill. The show, the One Tree Hill. That show. That's where we live. We live in the One Tree Hill neighborhood. Look at these goodies for the new Decker bus. No, not the Decker bus. That's the Decker bus. This is goodies for the flipper bus. Goodies. But yeah, so today's a busy day. I was just in the mountains with a family trip. It was like a little family vacation we always do with my wife's family. There's like 20 of us up at this point. We went out to Run Mountain. Great time, so happy to do it. Today is an exciting day. We have a lot to do. I've got a bus that's getting dropped off in like 3 hours. Another bus. We have to get this bus prepped for paint, which it's already been sanded, so we have to tape it off because I want to get it prepped so we can paint all this exposed metal and get this finished. But that also means we need to finish putting on the custom door we made. I have like a month to finish this Decker bus, so that's like kind of top priority. And then I have a bus outside that I need to sell. So I need to get that thing prepped to sell. So it means we need to wash it, we need to prime it, we need to paint the floors, we need to make it look good in the pictures. So that's what we got to do. And then I have this like classroom bus thing coming today. It's a short little build. It's nothing too complicated. We're gonna do AC, we're gonna do shore power, we're gonna do some AC 120 volt outlets. I need to figure out the lighting situation in this space because I have like these shadows on my eyes. Anyways, so that's coming today, and I'm gonna try to get this thing done in 9 days. I'm not really sure how realistic that is, but we're gonna try. Abby's gonna help, Jason's gonna help, Jacob's gonna help, and I'm not really gonna help because I think they can do it themselves. I'm just gonna direct. I think I could get the people to do the things that I need them to do, but we'll see. Oh, so I figured today would be a better time than any to add something to my plate to start vlogging. So here we are. So I think first things first is clean up this place. This is the bus that's going to be for sale. It's a 29-foot shuttle bus. It's got AC, heat, mini split, shore power, insulation, spray foam, and it's nice. And it's got recessed lights and the new birch ceiling we put in. The clients changed their minds on how they wanted to use this bus, so it's for sale now. Yeah, I think we need to get this thing prepped for sale. That'll check something off the list. Protrude out so much, but I think if we do it this way, we'll have a full dividing wall from the driver's seat to the back seat, and you'll never even pay attention to it. So when you come through, and then the countertops bump in a little bit because we're going to do like 24-inch countertops. Sweet. So the new bus is here. thing gets dirty all the time. It's for Joy Education Foundation. And it's really unique. This is probably, I hadn't seen a bus like this before. Let me show you. So the bus is just a bus. It's a 1998 Ford E450. It's a V10 Triton, so it's just like a regular bus. But this bus is probably my favorite I've seen so far. And it's only because of one reason. So I have been in about 70 different buses up to this point in my career over like the 6 years. And this is the first time with a factory bus that I can fully extend my arms and touch the ceiling. Like, I'm not super tall to begin with, so I'm not going to sell you short on that. But I'm like 5'8.5". But this ceiling is so tall, and it's awesome. This is a factory bus. And I didn't know they made buses this tall and this size. I want to say this thing is, it's as long as that one, and that one is, yeah, like 21 feet. 21 foot long. This is at least 6'6". So like plenty of headspace. And the reason the ceiling being so tall is such a cool thing, other than, you know, the convenience of having height and not having to crouch down. With homes, you talk about square footage, but with tiny homes, you talk about cubic footage. So like, if I add cabinets here on a regular bus, it's kind of intrusive. But if I add upper cabinets here on this bus, it's not even like in my realm of headspace. So you get all of this extra space that you don't normally get out of a short bus, or a short ceiling bus. But it's cool. So yeah, this bus is gonna be basically a mobile classroom. We're gonna do floating countertops along the sides, new ceiling, insulation, outlets, AC unit. We're gonna do a mini split so it has a heat and AC. So it's gonna be a very simple build. But yeah, I've never seen a factory bus this tall, and I'm gonna keep looking out. I'm gonna start looking out for this. I think it's called a Star Trans. Star Trans. That's the model of this. That's the maker of this. Supreme Corporation, Goshen, Indiana. One thing that's neat about this bus too, that you don't really see that often either, is this bus is 1998, so that makes it 2008, 2018, which is 20 years, 26 years old. 26-year-old bus with 25,000 miles on it. And he got it for $9,000. What? So yeah, it is a fiberglass shell, which I'm not a huge fan of in most cases, but I think I've started to develop a system and how you can build these out equally as simple as a metal frame bus. But for now, thanks so much for watching. Like it if you like it, dislike it if you don't, and if you could subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. But we're gonna get started on this bus, so see ya.